good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you are seeing this video, or should I say whenever this video drops on your timeline. It's your boy Biggie Vibes, and then today we are going to talk about DAVIDO. Something shocking happened, something where they saw, something where they happen for these people live. I did disappointed for DAVIDO. I don't like waiting in do at all. No try, DAVIDO, no try. But why DAVIDO to do like this now? Why DAVIDO to treat Chioma like this? What think DAVIDO even do? Say everything do not make sense now. Why you go to do like this one? DAVIDO, you know my guy. I dey hype you on a steady. I dey hype you on a steady. I dey follow you back to back. I dey even my sister Chioma say, "Besides I dey hype you now, I dey do na good for the online." Wetin dey sup, DAVIDO? Wetin happen, DAVIDO? Wetin happen? Why you do like this now? DAVIDO, why you do like this now? Wetin you do no make sense now. Omo, you know right. I don't do like you now. DAVIDO, no for you. DAVIDO, wetin dey sup now? Guy, wetin I tell your guy, tell me wetin dey sup. Why you do like this now? Why you, my people, make I tell you now, DAVIDO no try at all. DAVIDO no try at all. DAVIDO, why now? DAVIDO, wetin dey sup now? DAVIDO, Jesus. DAVIDO, wetin? Tell me your guy, wetin? My people, if I tell you wetin DAVIDO do, oh, more una go dey as I dey now. I'm not gonna dey happy at all. If I tell you wetin DAVIDO do, I'm not gonna dey happy at all. DAVIDO, wetin dey sup na? DAVIDO, wetin dey sup? Make I tell you now, my people. Kai. Wait, make I count down. Make I tell you now. DAVIDO, my guy. Make I tell you now, calm down. So they get one interview like this with DAVIDO grant. I mean like Q&A, question and answer. They come ask DAVIDO, say, guy, when you dey free, as in when you no get job, when you no get concert, dey record music, anytime when you dey free, wetin you dey do with your free time? My people, na DAVIDO talk say he dey take care of him family. That is how I wan talk wetin DAVIDO no do. The guy talk say the first thing wey he talk say he spends time with his wife. Na be the first thing wey he talk. When be the first thing wey DAVIDO talk say he dey spend time with his wife. My guy, Tole Baba, you na man you be, na man you be. Na the hear am. Say in free time na family time. You no get time to dey waka up and down, dey go from one club to another club, dey do baza, dey do mogo. He talk say in free time na him family dey give am, him children and him wife. But you first call him wife before you call him children. My people, omo, Chioma you dey flex, Chioma you dey flex. You get better husband. Yo. But why they no go shower Chioma love now? Chioma na correct girl. Make I not too hype before they start they wan hype Chioma head. Hey people, your boy Biggie Vibes, I beg, share my video. Take God beg go now. Me I'm gonna clean for this obodo. I love you guys. Take care of yourselves. Stay safe out there, my people. Love you guys. One piece. Biggie Vibes.